Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'll show you how to link CJ Dropshipping with any e-commerce store. To start this tutorial, open cjdropshipping.com in your internet browser and then click on My CJ. Wait for the website to load this time. Once you're here, you're going to tap on Store Authorization in the drop-down. In here, choose any of the e-commerce platform. There are many options. Just choose one that you are already using. Once you chose one, all you have to do is tap on Add Store, but there is a detailed instruction below on how to connect your BigCommerce store to CJ. When you tap on it, this will lead you to another website or another tab. In here, it will show you the step-by-step process. See, these are all the steps. And when we scroll down, there is a more detailed step-by-step process with images that you can easily follow along. And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.